friends, let us start part 5, chapter 13, ways to multiply and divide, class 5. In this video, we will discuss Karunya as the landlord. Karunya is a person who has some field, so we need to calculate the area of the field, cost of the field. This is related to NCERT class 5, page number 173 to 175. So let us start. Karunya, the landlord. He is Karunya and he has three fields. Field A, length 28 meter, width 27 meter. Field B, length 36 meter, breadth 12 meter, again 19 and 27. So we need to calculate what is the area of field A, field B, field C. Okay. We know that area can be calculated by multiplying length into breadth. So area of field A will be field A area 28 multiplied by 27. Okay, so how we will multiply? In this case, we will multiply 28 into 7 and here 28 into 20. Yes, because 27 means 20 plus 7. Okay. 7 8 are 56. Carry over 5. 7 2s are 14 and 5 19. When we multiply with the number which has 0 at the end, we put the 0 in answer directly. Now 2 8 are 16, carry over 1. 2 2s are 4 and 1 5. Now we add these in third step. 6 9 and 6 15, 5 carry over 1, 5 and 1 6, carry 1 7. So area of field A is 756 square meter. 756 square meter. Now we will calculate area of second field, field B. In this we will multiply 36 into 12. You know, area is length into breadth. Here again I will multiply 36 by 2 and 36 by 10. Okay, in step 1. In step 2, then I will add 2 6 are 12, carry over 1, 2 3 are 6 and 1 7. I know when I will multiply with 10, so I will put 1 0 directly, and by multiplying 1, number doesn't change, so it will come like this. 1 6 are 6, 1 3 are 3. Now I will add 2 7 6 13, 3 carry over 1 432. So area of field B is 432 square meter. Now area of field C. Area of field C. I need to multiply 17 multiply by 19. First I will multiply with 9. 9 7 are 63. 3 carry over 6. 9 2 are 9 2 are 18. 18 and 6 24. I will multiply with 10, so put 0 here. 1 2 are 1 7 are 7. 1 2 are 2. Now I will add 3. 7 and 4 11. 1 carry over 1 2 2 4 and 1 5. So 5 1 3 square meter. Here 756 square meter, and in this 432 square meter. So which is the largest field? Field A is the largest field. Field B is the smallest field. Next. He bought field A at the rate of 95 per square meter, field B at the rate of rupees 110 for a square meter, and field C at the rate of rupees 120 for a square meter. Find the cost of all the field. What are the area of A? Area of A 756 square meter. Area of B 432 square meter. Area of C 513 square meter. Okay, so find the cost of all three fields. Rate of A 95 square per meter. So what is the area? 756. So cost will be 95 multiply 756, because cost of rate of 1 square meter is 95. So cost of 56 square meter will be multiplied by 96. So let us multiply. 5 6 ja 30, carry over 3, 5 5 ja 25 and 3 28, 2 5 7 ja 35 and 2 39. When I will multiply with 90, I will put 0 here. 9 6 ja 54, 5 carry, 9 5 ja 45 and 5 50, again 5 carry, 9 7 ja 63 and 5 68. Now add 0 and 4 12, 2 carry over 1, 9 and 1 10, 0 carry over 1, 8 and 3 11, 2 carry over 1, 6 and 1 7. So rupees 72,020 for field A. For field B, cost of rate of field B is 110 per square meter, multiply with 432. Okay, so 0 0 0. When I will multiply with 10, when I will multiply with 10, I will put 0, and because I will multiply 2 with 1, so 2 3 4. Now I will multiply with 100, so I will put 2 0, and again 2 3 4 0 2 2 and 3 5 4 and 3 7 and 4, rupees 47,520. So in this way we can calculate the cost of field C. So you have to find the cost of field C with the rate 120 per square feet and write answer in comment box. Now let us move next. Tulsi and her husband works on Karunya's farm. The government has said that farm worker should be paid at least rupees 71 for 1 day's work, but he pays rupees 55 to Tulsi and rupees 58 to her husband. If Tulsi works for 49 days and her husband works for 42 days, how much money does she get and he will get? One thing is there, you can see government has decided rupees 71, but Karunya is not paying as per government rule, means Karunya is exploiting Tulsi and her husband. One thing is there, if someone is not getting as per government norm, it is case of exploitation. One thing. Second thing, you may see Tulsi is getting rupees 55 and her husband is getting rupees 58. This is case of gender discrimination. A woman is getting lesser than her husband, which is a wrong practice. So there are two wrong practices here. One exploitation, second is gender discrimination. So anyway, now if Tulsi work for 49 days, how much does she get? Tulsi is getting rupees 55 for one day, means 55 multiply by how many days she worked? 49 days. So multiply by 49. 9 5s are 45. 5 carry over 4. 9 5s are 45 and 4 49. Now I will multiply with 40. For multiplying 40, I will put 0 here. Now I will multiply with 4 only. 4 5s are 20. Carry over 5, 2. 4 5s are 20 and 2, 22. So 5, 9, 4 and 2, 6 and 2. 2695. Tulsi will get 2695 rupees. Now her husband works for 42 days. Her husband works for 42 days, and how much her husband is getting? Rupees 58 per day. So multiply with 58. Worked for 42 days and getting 58 a day. So 8 2s are 16. Carry over 1. 8 4s are 32 and 1 33. Now I will multiply with 50. So multiplying for 50, I will put 0 here. Now 5. 5 2s are 10. 1. 5 4s are 20 and 1 21. So 6 3 4 2. 2436. So her husband is getting 2436. Okay. So if we want to calculate together how much they are getting, Tulsi plus her husband, so I can simply add these two. Okay. So you add and write in comment box what amount of money they are getting together. Okay. So let us move to next. I saw this in newspaper. Governments of different states have said farm worker should not be paid less than this salary for a day. Okay. So why government decide the salary of farm worker per day or any other labor per day in order to not get exploitation. So government has decided, okay, so that other people will not exploit the labors. Okay. So Haryana government has decided one day salary rupees 135. So if you will work in Haryana for a day, you will get rupees 135. If you will work in Rajasthan for a day, you will get rupees 73 per day. If you will work for one day in Madhya Pradesh, the income is decided 97, and in Odisha, rupees 75. So this is salary decided by the respective state governments for their state. The table shows the amount fixed by 4 states. For farm worker, which state has fixed the highest amount? Highest amount is fixed by Haryana, and the lowest amount is fixed by Rajasthan. Okay. Bhairav Singh is a worker in Rajasthan. So what is the amount a Rajasthan farm worker gets for a day? Rupees 73. Okay. Bhairav Singh is a worker in Rajasthan. If he works for 8 weeks, 8 weeks means 8 into 7 days a week. How many days in a week? 7. So 8 7 are 56. He worked for 56 days. How much will he earn? How much will he earn? So in this case, I will multiply 73 with 56 because 56 days he worked and rupees 73 is salary fixed by him. Okay. 6 threes are 18, carry over 1. 6 sevens are 42 and 1, 43. I will put 0 here. Now I will multiply with 5 only. 5 threes are 15, carry over 1. 5 sevens are 35 and 1, 36. 8, 5, 3, 8. 6 and 4, 10, 0 and 4. Rupees 4088. So Bhairav Singh will work for 8 weeks. For that he will get rupees 4088. Neelam is a worker in Haryana. She works for 2.5 months. 2.5 months means 31 days for a month. Next month will be 30 and half month is 15 days. Okay. Or if I will start with the month 30 days, 30 for a month, next 31 and half days 15. So days will be same whether I will start from a month which is 31 days or a month with 30 days. Okay. So what are number of days? 5 and 1, 6. 3, 3, 6 and 1, 7. So 76 days. Neelam worked for 76 days. Okay. So how much money will she will earn? She will earn what is rate in Haryana? Haryana rate is rupees 135 and she worked for 76 days. Okay. So simple multiplication. 6 fives are 30, 3, 6 threes are 18 and 3, 21, 2, 6 ones are 6 and 2, 8. Now I will multiply with 70. For multiplying 70, I will put 0 now. Now I have to multiply only with 7. 7 fives are 35, carry over 3. 7 threes are 21 and 3, 24. 4, carry over 2. 7 ones are 7 and 2, 9. Now I will add these. 0, 5 and 1, 6. 8, 4, 12, 2, 9 and 1, 10. So 10,260. Neelam will earn 10,260. Okay. So Neelam will earn 10,260. Next question. How much more a farm worker in Madhya Pradesh get than a worker in Orissa after 9 weeks? 9 weeks means 9 into 7. 9 sevens are 63. Means they worked for 68 days. Now, what is the salary in Madhya Pradesh? Rupees 97. I will multiply with 63. This is for MP, Madhya Pradesh. And now for Orissa, salary is rupees 75 and worked for 63 days. So now multiply this and see the answer of MP and Orissa. See which is higher and what more amount that worker is getting. So you write me in comment box in which state they are getting higher. Madhya Pradesh, because one day salary is more in Madhya Pradesh, so 9 weeks salary will more in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, so this will more, this will less. How much less? You multiply and subtract MP, salary of MP, Madhya Pradesh for 9 week and salary of Orissa 9 week. This answer minus this answer. And write me in comment box what is the difference of that. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you.